So if this is your first time interacting with the motion graphics software, you're going to notice that this does not exactly pack your traditional timeline. Matter of fact, this is a composite-based software. So when you open it for the first time, you are going to have to define the parameters of your timeline. Well, I suppose just like any NLE. So I'm going to go ahead and call this a 1080p, and let's say it's a Facebook 1080p. Maybe I want to work on a Facebook video graphic. And as you can see, nothing incredibly surprising. You have a canvas that you can work on, but I can also add another one, and this will be an Instagram dedicated one, which would be a square. So I'm going to make this a 1080 as well. Sorry about that, 1080. And if I wanted to make an Instagram Live or Snapchat one, then ideally this would be, this would be 1080 and this would be 1920. So it's kind of like flipping it to a portrait mode. So this is 3 different canvases. If you can toggle between them right here that you can work on, and this goes into much deeper level because you can then put composites into composites and into composites, but that's something that we will discover as we progress through Vegas Effect. The one last thing that I want to point out is the fact that, well, seems to be only let's see, let's zoom out of the timeline a little bit. I'm looking at 30 seconds each composite. And why is that? It's because this is what is the default that is defined as you create the composite. But if I were to go to the Instagram one and change it over to a minute and 30 seconds, if I go over to the Instagram tab, I'll notice that this has magically expanded. So this is just a brief look on how you typically open projects in Vegas Effects.